Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Fishdom account. If you want to get rid of your Fishdom account and you don't know how, then here is how you can do it. First, open your Fishdom application on your mobile device. Once you end up in this main home page, tap on the play button. Once you've started playing the game, tap on the gear button at the top left-hand corner. Now, in the option, tap on the eye icon at the bottom. Here in this page, you'll be able to delete your account. Tap the delete account button in red and go through the information first. If you want to continue delete your account, all of your account's data will be deleted, including your purchases in the game's process, and your account. Deleting your account takes 15 days after you make the request. Tap the continue button in order to continue deleting the account. If you ever wish to return to the game within the 15 days, the deletion of your account will be cancelled. So click the continue button if you're sure you'd like to delete your account and tap on delete again. And you've successfully submitted your delete account request for Fishdom. Tap on OK, and that is how you should be able to delete Fishdom account. Remember that if you get logged into your Fishdom account again within the 15 days period, you'll be able to cancel your deletion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.